Anyways, let me get back to it. Sorry. 2014 Toyota Sienna. I picked this up because I've always been a fan of them. And like I said, in 2014, I was trying to decide either buy a brand new one or spend money on the Previa. I ended up spending money on the Previa. But this was a van that I just love the look of it. And it's brand new. I mean, you know, it has that newer body style, all this and that. And I've rented one before, and I definitely enjoyed driving it to Vancouver, British Columbia. Anyways, like I said, let's kind of get to it. This is the SE model. Even has like the side skirt, the front and rear bumper, kind of a little bit more aggressive look. 30,000 miles. What I love about these newer vans is that you have the automatic doors on both sides. So we'll do that. The trunk can do that as well. And if I wanted to close those, here are the buttons. Side door, other side door, trunk. Look at the dash from the passenger side. Glove box compartment. One, I guess. You can take that out. And the second one. So, backup camera, the CD, and the heater controls. This also consists of cup holders. A little small compartment, I don't know what for. Another compartment, you can put stuff here. And two 12-volt plugins, I guess, if you like you said, smoker or whatnot. And then also a USB and an auxiliary plug-in. And of course, up here where there's the door lights, you can turn it off, and it's throughout the cabin. And here is for sunglasses. Take a look in the back real quick. An 8-seater. 2 in the front, 2 right here, and 2 back here, which is kind of folded in. If you look right here in the middle, there's a small center console. This is where this 8th seat would be. Going here, the driver's side, coins, all that. If you don't want the power sliding doors, you can push this button. Then here's the gas, here's the hood, mirrors, traction control, of course the window controls and locks. Console is actually pretty nice. So not only do you have two sorry for the brightness, it's the angle, but not only do you have two cup holders there, you have 2 here in the center console. Additionally, 2 there. Little compartment here, I don't know, put a phone or something like that in there. And then this one, a pretty deep storage compartment. There's also you can buy a tray that comes up here off eBay. Second row seats is a cup holder, and this is where the base of the 8th seat would be. Even though these are down to give you space, Unlike the Previa and some of the older vans where the back seats, the third row seats would go up like that, these actually fold in the trunk. Those center seats or second row seats do not. Additionally, this back compartment, 2 more cup holders, storage compartment, same on the opposite side. Real nice thing about the windows in the middle and here in the back is that factory privacy screen, as you can see in these other windows. So it looks like when these seats are down. I'm gonna prop these up real quick just to kind of give you an overview of how it looks. Slid the center seat forward. This can also come off the tracks as well. And I put one of the seats up. And I'll show you how that kind of goes. Can't do it with 2 hands. I mean, can't do it with one hand while watching the phone, but you pull this up and then see that green, this one right here. You pull that, see if I can do it. No, I need both hands. Anyways, when you look at it too, the trunk is pretty cavernous. It's sunken in. So that gives you a lot of depth in the trunk space. Let's close the trunk. Push that. Now, the automatic doors and the trunk, they will not open up unless the van's in park. And if you haven't done the recall as well. The gauge cluster, the controls, the shifter is right here in the middle, and it's kind of a, you can put it in an automatic / manual. You know, you can downshift gears and whatnot, but yeah, I really like this.